So today we'll be talking about strategy builder. Previously we spoke about strategy watch. So click on strategy and then click on strategy builder. Here this window pops up, right? And here if you click on it, you'll find Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty. You can also search for individual stocks, SBIN, right? So here we have bullish, bearish, neutral and others. So suppose you want to take a neutral strategy on Nifty. Let's take short straddle. You click on short straddle and your ready-made strategy is here ready. That is selling a put option of 25,150 and selling call option of 25,150. So the entry price is visible here, and here you can change accordingly the strike. You can also use the lot multiplier to increase the number of lots together. Both the legs get changed, or you can individually change the number of each lot. And last traded price, and here you can see the bid and ask. So in this, when you take neutral and short straddle as your strategy, there is also a display of the funds needed. The funds needed for this trade is 2.82 lakhs. The margin required is 2.64 lakhs. The probability of profit in this trade is 54.92% with a maximum profit of 18,330. Maximum loss is has no limit, right? And the risk to reward is not applicable because the loss is undefined here. So also we have break even, that is 24,905 and 25,394. So if you hover the mouse over the information, you get the underlying price at the time of expiry when the strategy neither makes a profit nor a loss. So you also have information on each tab. So a measure of the risk of loss against the expected gains for the investment made in the strategy, typically used for risk management, that is risk to reward ratio. So this information is available, and also if you look at this is a payoff chart. So you can hover the mouse and check how the kind of payoff that you get when the spot is moved. So when the spot is moving to 24,700, you can also check the profit on each trade individually. So the maximum is at 25,140, right? You can also check the profit and loss table here. And here in the profit and loss, when you click on it, you can change the target. You can check the profit and loss. Yeah, for 2 days, when there's 2 days to expiry, the target P&L changed to 6,000. When there's 1 day to expiry, it's 9,142. Let's try varying the target. So if you keep increasing the target, the loss also increases. So let's reduce the target. So you can vary this and understand your profit and loss. So at 25.74, the total profit and loss is 1,965. Also, you can change the IV, that is the implied volatility, strike-wise IV for each individual. So let's, if you go to, you can just test it, change the IV value for each, or you can check how the Greeks react to this change in IV value. There are minor changes in the Greeks as we keep increasing them. You can also check strategy charts, right? You can see the correlation between the Nifty and the premium in that on 11th July. So initially it started at 288 when the Nifty is at 25,289. You can just look at the correlation between the two and how the premium varies as the day passes and how the Nifty changes. You can also check multi-strike OI, that is the two strike prices, how they correlate with the underlying, that is the Nifty. You can check their correlation when you hover the mouse over this. You can also try other strategies. If you click on bullish, click on bull call spread. So bull call spread is buying 25,150 call and selling 25,400 call, each of one lot, and the entry prices are given here. You can, as usual, increase the number of lots, so accordingly the net premium also changes, the amount here. So the net premium is visible here. Similarly, you can check out the payoff chart. Then Greeks, strategy charts, and multi-strike OI. You can do that with Sensex too. You can build your own strategy also. Right, and you can also check the P&L table. You can vary the target and check the kind of profit you can make, or you can change the target days. So this is 1 day to expiry, so there's no change here. And we also have bearish, as usual, just like bullish. We have bearish buy put, sell call, bear put spread, and other strategies. And when you click on others, you have strategies like call ratio spread, put ratio spread, strap, strip, sell future, covered call, merit put. So you can also here, you can change the expiries. You can take one of the strategies and change your expiry accordingly.